Using HireBC is one way to connect with employers. When you have a complete profile, employers are able to see your account and connect with you for possible job opportunities or internship opportunities. Well, how do you make sure that your profile is complete? You definitely want to have a professional photo. Make sure that your degree is correct and accurate, and you also want to make sure that all of the fields within your profile are filled in. So let's take a look. Your personal statement could be your summary from your resume. Your education should be up to date. The experience also could be taken directly from your resume. All you have to do is copy and paste. Include projects that you've worked for in class. This could show what talents that you've gained while you were in school. You also want to have the skills listed out. More than one skill needs to be included in order for your profile to be complete. And you also want to make sure that you include as many skills as possible, because these are the keywords that employers are going to use to search for your resume. You also want to include here on the right a document of your resume, your personal website. If you don't have one, you can actually use your LinkedIn. And if you add additional projects, you do so by clicking that button. So make sure that you complete your profile so that the next employer can find you when looking on HireBC.